Your request is granted. Then, shock. I can't look at that. Person say, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Still a humble boy, Ken Original, the Chummy Ken Views. Guys, how you doing? I come with an update, you know. You know how we're dropping it back to guys. God answers prayers. Honestly, God always answers prayers. So if you want to pray, pray that is, say what you mean and mean what you say to God. God answers prayers. Let me share one thing with you. Yeah, when I was about to start dating, I got many advices. Many advices were coming from left and right, front and back. People were telling me, Ken, as now that you want to embark on this journey, that you should be careful, you should mind yourself, and you should be patient, you should study women, you should know how they behave, and I said that. So yes, now you are a man and you're about to. They are not like women, as in, they are not like man. You should study them. You shouldn't reply to everything they say. Their behaviors are different from men. That you should learn this. You should wear clothes. You should go and sew clothes like patience, like clothes and wear. That you should have patience. Number one priority is patience. I say, Lord, God, help your son. That is, many things were coming after everything. After my ears were full. After my ears, I said, okay, Lord, over to you. Help your son. Now I come enter prayer every night at the fire prayer. Lord, make me to have patience. Lord, give me patience. Lord, make me to have. I was praying that prayer almost every night.